Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda, and today I have a Grove collaborative haul. You guys know how much I love Grove, and in my last Grove haul, I showed you that I only ordered like 2 or 3 things. The same thing with this. I think I have like 4 items, not very much, but I like to do these little hauls because it shows you that you don't have to order a whole bunch. Like, you don't have to get $60 or $70 worth of things. You don't even have to get $20 worth of things, and you don't even have to order every single month, but there are some really, really neat things that you can get. You guys know I love cleaning products. I love trying new cleaning products. I love anything that makes my house look and smell, especially smell clean. I want the house to smell clean. So that is really the focus of today's box, is making the house smell clean. I don't know what it is about summer that makes the house like smell. Like, I think it's because like we've had some spring weather and the doors and windows were open and everything was kind of fresh, and then we've had some days where it's like hot and it's humid, and I don't know, the dogs are sweating, and I don't even know. But the house has like just had like a funky smell lately, and I can't. Okay, so like, let's just jump into, again, I only have 4 products, so it's going to be a pretty short video, but I wanted to share it with you anyway. So the first thing I got was this hand soap and the peony. Like, sorry, my nails are like crazy. They're like really bad this time. I try to do them before videos, but don't have time for that. So I got it in the peony. If you watch my last Grove haul, I bought this scent in the room spray, and oh my gosh, I loved it. I absolutely loved it. And so I also bought some Method foaming hand cleaner. Now, I told you in a couple videos ago that I was a tried and true Bath and Body Works girl. I love their foaming hand soap, and so when I first switched to the Mrs. Meyer's, I was like, oh, I don't know if I could go back to a non-foaming hand soap. But I fell in love with it. I love the way it smells. I love the way it makes my hands feel. So yeah, I'm totally went back. But when I saw the Method foaming one, I'm like, maybe I should give it a try, because I really do love foaming hand soaps. But guys, I don't know, I just didn't like it as well. So I went back this time and I got the peony. I also knew that the peony scent is probably, I think it's a spring scent, so I know it's a limited time, so I wanted to get a bottle of it. And yeah, I really like that. The next item I bought, I'm excited to try, and it had some mixed reviews. I'll tell you how I like it in an upcoming video. But I got the Real Simple Clean Stain and Odor Treatment, and this is an all-natural enzyme formula, tackles stains and persistent odors. So yeah, I have dogs. Yeah, like, let's just talk about that, right? So I just have a spot that I just feel like needs some extra love, and I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe it's all in my head, but I'm really excited because I feel like most pet cleaners just like cover up the smell. It's just soap or whatever, and that's nothing wrong with that. But I thought with this being like enzyme based, it's kind of like a probiotic kind of thing that breaks it down. It smells pretty good. It's lemon. Fresh citrus. I had heard that the other one, I don't remember, it came in 2 different scents, and I don't remember the other one's name, but I had heard some reviews that it didn't smell very good. And I'm like, oh, the purpose of this is to smell better, guys. The purpose of this is to smell better. And again, I think it's just, I always worry that I will get used to the smells in our house, and I just like my house to smell clean and fresh, and so yeah, my husband's the same way. As long as the house smells nice, it could not be clean. As long as it smells good, he's good with that. But anyway, there is just a little spot that I'm wanting to use this on, and I'm hoping that it will just eliminate any lingering odors. I don't know if it has any lingering odors. I just kind of feel it does. But anyway, I'm excited to give that a try. The next item I got was, honestly, it's probably cheaper at Walmart, but I never remember to get it. It's one of those things. But it is the commercial Arm & Hammer baking soda. And I want to say it was like $1.50. It's a good size box. It's a 1-pound box. And I do know that baking soda can be fairly inexpensive at the store. So this might be a little bit more expensive. I don't know. It says ideal for restaurants and kitchen an industrial kitchen, so I don't know if it's more powerful or if it's just a bigger box. I don't know what the commercial grade means. But anyway, baking soda is so great for so many different things, and a lot of times I just sprinkle it on my carpet to use as like a carpet fresh type thing, and I like doing that and everything. So I got that. Again, may or may not be less expensive at Walmart, but anything that gets me out of, you know, going to Walmart, I'm all about that life. The next item I bought is a new item that I have not tried. Well, it's new to me, not new to them, but it is one of their soy candles. I have not tried their candles before, and so I'm excited. I love candles. I love, again, this is all about things that smell good, right? So I don't know what it is, and this is the basil, so it's kind of got a, like, just a fresh citrusy thing. I think that I'm just kind of wanting that kind of smell with the summertime and everything. But anyway, it smells really good. It says it has a 35-hour burn time. I want to say it was like $10, so it really wasn't that, you know, that bad expensive-wise for a candle. Yeah, I really like it. I'm hoping that it smells just as good lit as it does in the jar. So that is all I bought, just those 4 little items. I should have mentioned at the beginning, this is not sponsored. I do have an affiliate link. It's got a coupon code in the description box below. If you want to save, I don't even remember how much it is, but if you want to save, check out that affiliate link in the description box below. But other than that, it is not sponsored. I just like to share these things because they're helpful to me, and somebody else shared with me, and now I'm sharing with you. And so yeah, that's that. What are your favorite items to buy from Globe? What are your favorite cleaning products and things like that? What are some things that you like to do in the summertime to make your house smell nice? Because I kind of feel like in the wintertime when the house is shut up, kind of like it is in the summertime, I'm doing a lot of baking and holiday things, and there's a lot of like cinnamon smells and cooking smells and things like that that aren't in like the summer. The summer like is like hot and we have the air conditioner going, but it smells like dogs and sweaty boys and help me, send help. Anyway, so what are some tricks? Share with your girl, and thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for spending time with me, and I can't wait to see you guys later. Bye.